Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel Health Beauty and Mind by Raj. I hope you all are doing well. I'm back with another video for the beauty tips. I made fresh juice today and I'm going to share this little hack that I love using it. So this is what comes out in this little basket at the back of the juicer when you make the fresh juice. So this is the residue of all the fruits I used. So I used orange, apple, carrots, celery and watermelon. So this is the mixture of all those fruits I just mentioned. So I'm going to use this residue. This is very moist. It has so much water as well. So I'm going to use this pulp, you can say, or the residue in the mold like this. I just already put 4 of them. So you put this pulp in the mold and push it in. And what we're gonna do next, we're going to freeze them. So I'm just gonna freeze these, and once they are frozen, I'm going to rub them on my face. So it has orange, which will give our vitamin C for our face and help our face to glow. I remove all the blemishes and get rid of all the acne scars. So I'm looking forward to freeze them, and I'll show you in my another story or a video how do I use these. So this is ready to go in the freezer. I can't wait, but in the meantime I'm going to use some of this and going to just rub it on my face and leave it for some time, about 10 to 15 minutes until it's dry, and then wash your face. And that's it. Try this helps, and I hope you enjoyed this video and this video is helpful and useful to you guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel, like the video if you like it, and comment. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.